Imagine this. You wake up already tired, you didn't sleep well again, you grab coffee because you have to, you hustle through the morning, get everyone taken care of, head into work, deal with that inbox, the meetings, the constant pressure, and by early afternoon, you just hit that wall. Your energy crashes, your brain gets foggy, your mood dips, and your body feels like it's fighting you. And you're thinking, oh man, why does my body feel like this when I'm trying so hard to be healthy? Well, it's not because you're getting older. It's not because you're not trying hard enough. It's your hormones. They're responding to chronic stress. What a lot of people don't realize is that stress isn't just feeling. Stress is chemistry. The moment your body senses stress, emotional stress, physical stress, food stress, toxin stress, any of these, it releases cortisol. And cortisol is great in the short bursts. It helps you to survive. But when it's elevated all day, every day, it creates absolute chaos. Now, cortisol starts stealing from your other hormones, your thyroid, your progesterone, your estrogen, your testosterone. They all get pushed aside so your body can stay in survival mode. That's when you see things like stubborn weight gain, low energy, mood swings, sleep issues, irregular cycles, cravings, and inflammation. Cortisol also shuts down digestion. Your body cannot digest well or repair itself when it thinks you're running from danger. So then you're bloated, constipated, reacting to foods you never used to react to, and craving sugar just to keep going. And sleep, well, forget that. High cortisol makes it easy to fall asleep from exhaustion, but almost impossible to stay asleep. You wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. and your brain is wide awake. That's cortisol. Eventually, your system gets tired of this compensating. So this is where burnout starts to happen. Your energy drops, your resilience drops, you don't bounce back the way that you used to. Even small stressors feel overwhelming. You start thinking that, hey, something's wrong, but it's not you, it's your chemistry. If you want to know whether stress is affecting your hormones, here are a few common signs. You're tired in the morning, but wired at night. You're carrying more weight around your midsection. You need caffeine to function. You crash mid-afternoon. Your cycle is changing. You're irritable. Your libido is down. Your digestion is off. You wake up several times a night. You feel overwhelmed easily, and you just don't feel like yourself. Most people try to fix this with willpower, more workouts, more supplements, another diet, forcing themselves to sleep more, cutting more foods, trying to meditate their way out of it. And all of these things can help, but they don't fix the root problem. Because when cortisol is dysregulated, your body is literally in survival mode. You can't talk your way out of that. You need to rebalance the chemistry so that your body feels safe enough to heal again. So this is exactly what we do in our clinic. When clients come in saying, oh, I'm eating clean, doing the right things, going to bed early, why am I still so exhausted? The answer is almost always the same. Their body is overwhelmed, overworked, and out of balance. And once we calm the stress and calm the pathways down, everything else starts to improve. Their energy comes back, their sleep improves, the weight starts responding, the brain fog lifts, their hormones start functioning the way they're supposed to. Breaking the burnout cycle starts with understanding what's triggering your stress response. That could be hidden infections, food stressors, toxins, blood sugar swings, nutrient deficiencies, or just an overworked adrenal system that's been pushed for too long. Your body is never stressed for no reason. There's always something driving it. So once we identify those triggers, we support the adrenals, reset the cortisol rhythm, replenish minerals, and help the nervous system come out of fight or flight. This is where people start noticing real changes quickly. Better sleep, fewer crashes, clearer thinking, and more stable moods. Then we rebuild hormonal balance naturally. When cortisol isn't hogging all the resources, that's when your thyroid, your progesterone, your estrogen, your testosterone, your insulin, they all start normalizing. Weight becomes easier to lose, periods regulate, hot flashes ease. And that's when energy becomes steady again. So we also repair digestion and detox pathways because you can't have balanced hormones with a stressed gut or a sluggish detox system. When those open up, inflammation drops, cravings calm down, and your whole body just starts functioning better. And finally, we help you build a stress-resilient body so that you can stay balanced long-term. Not with perfection or extreme routines, but with simple habits, whole food support, nervous system regulation, and a body that actually responds the way it's supposed to. If everything I've described sounds like your life right now, I want you to know that you're not stuck like this. Your hormones aren't broken. You're not destined to be exhausted forever. Your body can heal when it's given the right support in the right order. So if you're ready to find out exactly what your stress is doing to your body and more, then I invite you to come in for a health consultation. We'll look at how your body is functioning, what's depleted, what's overloaded, and what needs support, so you can finally get out of the burnout and feel like yourself again. So you don't have to push through anymore. You deserve a body that works with you, not against you. And we're here to help you get there.